Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Starkness Guide. In this video, you are gonna learning about how to customize your Facebook navigation bar, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, my name is Stark and you are watching the Starkness Guide YouTube channel on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app. After that, just simply tap at that profile picture in the top right corner and then tap at the gear to open up your settings and privacy. In your settings and privacy, just scroll a little bit until you get the option of navigation bar. Just tap on it like that. So that's where you can easily get the option to customize the bar. Just tap at customize the bar on the very top. That's where you get all of your shortcut bars. So from here you can edit them, like you can pin them or hide them just by tapping on it like that. And tap at that option in front of a specific bar which you want to edit. Tap on it like that. Tap pin or hide what you want. If you have pin a bar, just tap at and tap like auto, it will be unpinned. If you have want to like hide a bar, just tap at hide. Once you have hide it like that and you want to unhide it, just tap on it and tap auto, or you can tap at pin or whatever you want. That's all about to customize the bar. So that's how you can easily do that. So I hope it helps you guys. If it helps, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen. Goodbye till the next video.